Gaijiro is slowly getting used to life in Japan. Every morning he wakes up early, goes to the office, works all day, comes home, eats, sleeps, and then repeats the same routine again. Office gives home, gives convenience store, gives sleep, gives office. A simple, ordinary salaryman life, circulating day after day. Today is a big day for Gaijiro. He's finally receiving his very first salary from his boss. He was excited all day, trying his best to stay calm at the office. But he decided to wait until he got home to open his very first paycheck. A small moment, but a huge milestone in his new life in Japan. Gaijiro opens his first Japanese payslip, but he seems to be confused. There must be something wrong. Eh? Why is my salary so low? Did they trick me? He rushes to his computer and starts searching. A few clicks later, he freezes. It's not a mistake. It's Japan's deduction system. Alright, let's check how much take-home pay you actually get in Japan. I'm on the Talent Square take-home salary calculator page. First, I'll select my location, Osaka. Next, age 30. And spouse none. Now I enter my monthly gross salary and hit the calculate button. This tool instantly shows the take-home pay, which is the amount that actually lands in your bank account after all mandatory deductions. And as you can see, the number is quite a bit lower than the gross salary. So let's break down exactly why. Income tax. This is the national income tax. It's calculated based on your taxable income after various deductions. For most salarymen, it's automatically withheld every month. Resident tax. This is the tax paid to your city and prefecture. It's usually around 10% of your taxable income. Important point. You start paying this from your second year in Japan. So many foreigners get surprised when it suddenly appears. Health insurance. This covers your medical expenses, hospital visits, medicine, surgeries. The rate varies slightly by prefecture, and Osaka has its own rate. Your company pays half, and you pay the other half. Pension. This is the national pension system for retirement. Again, the company pays half and you pay half. If you leave Japan permanently, you can apply for a partial refund called the lump sum withdrawal. Nursing care insurance. This only applies if you're 40 or older. Since we selected age 30, this one is 0. Employment insurance. This is a very small deduction, but it's important because it protects you if you ever lose your job. By paying this tiny percentage each month, you become eligible for unemployment benefits and certain training subsidies. It's basically a safety net that every salaryman in Japan contributes to. Now I'll change the monthly salary to 400,000 yen. This will be your actual take-home salary. This is guideline for monthly gross income and take-home pay. As you can see in chart, it is generally 24 to 28% of your gross income. Let's understand the Japanese term for each deduction.
額面収入、グロスインカム、所得税インカムタックス、住民税レジデントタックス、健康保険ヘルスインシュランス、厚生年金、エンプロイーペンションインシュランス、介護保険ナーシングケアインシュランス、雇用保険、エンプロイメントインシュランス、手取り額テイク、ホームペイ。
Even if you like it or not, you still have to pay all of these taxes. And in Japan, the cost of living is already quite high. So for many foreigners, trying to settle here with such a low take-home pay can feel really tough. However, don't get frustrated. There are legal ways to reduce your tax deductions. And don't worry, I'll talk about those in a later episode. Understanding the system is the first step, and once you know the rules, you can actually keep more of your hard-earned money. So stick around, there's a lot more coming in this new Gaijin Salaryman series. We're just getting started. See you again in the next video.